So recently, I assisted the client na makapag-claim ng 1 million pesos from her life insurance policy because she was diagnosed with critical illness. We all know how expensive it is to get sick here in the Philippines, especially if it's a major critical illness. Ang hirap maghanap kung saan kukuha ng malaking pera para sa treatment, lalo na kung hindi tayo prepared. Some people end up borrowing money or selling things or assets just to pay for the treatment. This client started her policy back in 2019 and she was only paying 2,000 pesos or 2,500 pesos per month. And recently, sadly, she was diagnosed with critical illness. But the good thing, she has a life insurance policy with critical illness coverage and was able to claim 1 million pesos. Sobrang laking bagay ng amount na to because she can now focus sa pagpapagaling at hindi niya na kailangang mamroblema kung saan kukuha ng pera. That is the value of having life insurance with critical illness coverage. It helps us during the most difficult times. Hindi na natin kailangan maghanap kung saan tayo kukuha ng pera at nakapag-focus na lang tayo sa pagpapagaling at sa treatment natin. So, habang bata ka pa at healthy, consider getting a life insurance plan. The younger and healthier you are, mas mababa ang premium at mas malaki ang coverage na pwede mong makuha. If you're curious or want to get a quote, message me anytime and I can help you find a plan that fits your budget. It's one of the best decisions you can make for yourself and your family.